Good day. Didn't hear you come in. Greetings and welcome to Ask That Guy with the Glasses. If they made TV show themed condoms, which ones would you buy? That's a very good question. To be honest, there's such a wide variety to choose from. Alone in the Dark, Goosebumps, My Little Pony, Inspect Her Gadget, Snoopy and Friends, That's My Bush, and of course, Bananas in Pajamas. I feel raped. Are there any celebrities that are dead that you think are really alive? Yes. If a car is driving at the speed of light and you turn the lights on, what will happen? Total ejaculation. You will cream yourself, and it will go everywhere. There will be no cleaning service able to clean it up, and you will have ruined the only car in the world that goes at the speed of light. You a-hole. Yes. What color is Jim's red gun? Cabbage. If aliens take over fish, what should I do to stay alive? Well, that depends on what the aliens can actually do. If they can, say, fly or shoot laser beams out of their eyes, normal procedure is to shit yourself with fear. However, they can do minor things like speak Spanish. I don't think you have anything to worry about. Thank you for your question, you most likely retarded individual. This is that guy with the glasses saying, there's no such thing as a stupid question until you ask it.